everyone, welcome to our channel Our Little Happiness. This is me Alina with you. So I hope everyone is staying safe at home because this pandemic is getting increased and we don't know when this will end or like where it is actually heading to. So all we can do is that stay safe at home and step out only if it is that mandatory. And like when you go out itself, like purchase all the things in a bulk quantity so that you don't want to like get out frequently. So okay, I'll come to the video. Like why I'm doing this video is that few days back I was actually searching for some courses that my Muttama can actually go for after completing a 12th standard, and I found some courses which are really interesting. Interesting means like they will pay you very well once you complete the course from top institute. Okay, so I thought I'll share it with you guys, and this will be beneficial for all those students who are in their 12th standard, as well as if you have any relatives you can actually share it with them. That's it. Let's get into the video. So the first course is ethical hacking. I know for most of them hacking means theft or like cybercrime, but it is not always the same. There are actually certain set of people who work so dedicatedly in order to protect all of us from the cyber crimes, and they are called as ethical hackers. And from the name ethical hackers itself, you can actually infer what that means. So how you can get into this course is that after completing a degree in any of the computer application courses or network security systems, you can actually apply for online courses in top institute. Like I'll actually provide a link in the description box. If you're actually interested, you can actually go check it out, all the links. Okay. So like once you have become a certified ethical hackers, the initial salary will start from 5 lakhs and it can go up to 64 lakhs. So isn't that interesting? So, and like one thing I would like to quote here is like it is more of a like passion than profession, because if you're a person who is only interested in computer networking system, you can actually opt for it. Otherwise, this is not a good option for you. So the second career option is architecture. If you're a person with keen interest towards design, then this is actually a best career option for you. All you have to do is that after completing your 12th standard, you have to go write an exam called NATA or NATA, which is called as National Aptitude Test in Architecture. So after completing this, like you have to score very high, only then you will be getting admission in top institutes such as School of Planning and Architecture, Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra, National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli, JJ College of Architecture. But if you want to get a seat in IIT or NIT, even if it is for architecture department, you have to clear both JEE Advanced as well as mains. But the main interesting thing is that once you complete the course from here, the salary that you're going to get is 6 lakh and it can go up to 64 lakhs. So, if you're a person with keen interest in investigating crimes that is happening around the world, and India being a country with so much of crimes happening right now, this is going to be a very promising career for you. So all you have to do is that after completing a BSc in science subject, you have to go for MSc in forensic sciences in top colleges such as Institute of Forensic Science, Mumbai, IFS Education Department, Pune, Osmania University, Hyderabad, Gujarat Forensic Sciences University, Gandhinagar. So here the top universities will conduct their entrance exam for their master degree. So depending upon the number of people participating for this exam, they will decide the cutoff. So once you clear the cutoff, you will be admitted into this college. And if you are getting placed from this college, the initial salary that you will be paid will be 6 lakhs. And it can even go up to 60 lakhs per annum. So let's go back to our college days or like school days where we have dragged the conclusion from the data that were available to us. So this profession is actually going to be a far advanced version of that. Like something like application of statistical theories in order to solve the problems in engineering or like any other fields. So if you're a person with quantitative as well as data analytics skills, then this is going to be a very good option for you. Top colleges that offer this course are Loyola College, Chennai, St. Xavier's College, Rice University, Bangalore, Madras Christian College, Oxford College of Science, Bangalore. So once you're getting placed from this college, the initial payment will be 4,06,000 per annum and can go up to 68 lakhs per annum. Okay, so the last career option is graphic animation. Well, this is one of the most lucrative career option I could say, because if you're a person who love to sketch your own stories, or like if you are a person who love to sketch the things that surrounds you, then this is the area that you have to put your signature in, because like it opens a wide room of creativity. So yeah, so the top colleges that offer this courses are Belur Institute of Technology, National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad, Asian Academy of Film and Television, Noida, FX School, Mumbai, National Institute of Film and Finance, Kolkata. But one thing I would like to mention here about this particular course is that, like, even after completing the course from these institutes, your pay scale completely depends upon the studios that you're gonna be placed in. But on an average scale, it can actually start from 3,70,000 and it can go up to 50 lakhs per annum. So I hope this video was beneficial for all those students who are looking for a career option other than engineering. And right now I'll introduce you to one person who was actually taking this video of mine. And Muthama,
That's very calm.
actually she really doesn't want to be in this video because
Oh my God.
okay, that's okay. So those of you who doesn't know, like, this is Muthama.
Yeah.
She's
All
my
those
sister.
who are new to our channel. This
Yeah.
is me, Alicia.
Oh my god.
Alicia.
Okay, like I call her Muthama. So yeah, those of you who are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Our Little Happiness.
And do like, share and comment to our channel as well as our video.
And like, if you like the video, don't forget to give thumbs up and share with everyone. Like,
And tell us which college and which course do you like the most among which
Yes.
you told. Yeah,
so that's it. Bye bye. Thank you all so very
Thank
much.
you so much for